guys. I don't know when I'm gonna be using this clip, but I'm probably gonna put in a random video that I started on. We have a head mount now, so we're gonna be doing more POV stuff. So hopefully you guys fuck with that. I'm gonna be working on. I could probably put this clip. I do want to cut up my bumper. It's smacking on my my exhaust and like melting it a bit. So I want to cut that up. So we're probably gonna be doing that. But yeah, I want to cut up the bumper just a bit on the rear, just so I can clear out the exhaust a bit, because it gets annoying. Sometimes it'll start like smacking on it hard, and it'll also look a bit more better, I think. I won't know until I finally do it. But yeah, it'll definitely clearance out the exhaust more. So that's the main benefit. I don't know how well you guys can hear. It's windy. The mic has the fluffy thing on it. So I don't know how well you guys could also hear the car too. But yeah, I'm gonna try to do more of the POV stuff. I feel like that'll grab more interest. I got some plans for the car coming up soon. I'm gonna be putting the bucket seat in. I still gotta go buy it. I got the brackets on the way though, come towards like the end of the month. I'll probably already have them depending on like when I post this. Here, let me think I need to move you guys a little more down. Is this good? I think this is good. But yeah, and then I want to order my my conversion harness for the S2K cluster. I want to put that in. I saw someone on Instagram the other day. If I remember, I'll try to tag him right now on the video, like somewhere right here. But yeah, I saw that he had it. He had the AP1, and it looked hard. So I'm probably gonna be getting that harness right after I get the bucket seat. Yeah, that's like one of the next big things I want to do for at least the interior. I think it'll definitely make the car look more nicer. Trying to test out the car right now, because I had this little issue where after a while it will like start going lean over here on the gauge, and it'll have like the car running really rough. So the code was a P0108, and it was like the map sensor, either replacing it or cleaning it. So I cleaned it up earlier this morning. Hopefully that fixes it, because man, that's annoying. Because if I turn it off for like 5-10 minutes, it'll go back to normal. It will stop running like crap, and it will do like some backfires. And with the exhaust, when it would pop, oh man, that thing was loud. Like, it sounded like a gunshot. So yeah, I'm hoping it fixed it. I ordered an O2 sensor, an upstream one, see if it'll fix it. It hasn't came in yet, but I just barely changed the fuse to be able to read my OBD2 scanner over there, and so I barely found out like last night what the issue was maybe. So hopefully that fixes it. But I'm still gonna put that O2 sensor and see if it'll maybe change anything else, I doubt it, but I already have it ordered. I don't feel like returning it, so we're just gonna put that in pretty much. What time is it? But yeah, so far it's running fine. AFR gauge is reading normal like always. Before, you know, it starts causing that, it'll jump down to like the